Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share a little home tour with you. This year we sold our home and currently we're living in an apartment until we find our next one. And it's not going to be for super long, but while we're here I really wanted to settle in and make it a cozy and homey space and really feel as settled as possible while we're here. So I wanted to make it cozy and also light and airy, and right now it's kind of simple for the summertime, but I will be starting to decorate for fall in my next couple of videos and I'm so excited for that. So be sure to come back soon for my fall decorate with me's, and I will have a fall apartment tour as well. But for today I hope you enjoy this little apartment tour, and I will just be setting it to music, and I hope it gives you some cozy home decor inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy.
Down by the sea, of the water, the coming waves kiss my feet. The touch from the warm wind that's blowing into the water to wash away the pain. The devil's breath on my neck, but the touch from the warm for how long I can carry on, pretending that everything's alright, and that it will be fine in the end. In the
train just left this town, while I'm slowly heading back to my apartment. not asking for your thoughts. I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness. Ooh, there's no point 'cause we both know. From here there's nowhere to go. Someone said your heart is golden. All I got was my heart broken. I can see the dawn is coming just for you, for you. Times will come again when the wind is blowing in my direction. Still I can't ignore the pain. It's the only thing that tells me I'm breathing. I lost you from the start. Someone said your heart is golden. All I got was my heart broken. I can see the dawn is coming just for you. Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying